LadyCare Plus is a small, powerful drug-free device that could help reduce the symptoms of perimenopause and menopause. It's used by over 500,000 women in the UK alone. Using the enhanced power LadyCare Plus may help to reduce or completely alleviate stress, hot flushes, bloating, palpitations, vaginal dryness, anxiety, and over 23 other symptoms completely safely. Just separate the button from the large pear-shaped piece, place the curved face against your skin around 4 inches below the navel, and attach the small button on the outside of your underwear. It is important to wear the LadyCare Plus at all times and only remove for bathing. LadyCare Plus has a success rate of over 71%. Many feel its benefits within the first couple of weeks, and others need to use their LadyCare Plus for the full 3 months. For a list of symptoms and for more information on the LadyCare Plus, visit the LadyCare website.